everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's time of the month when I'm here to shoot my March month's favorite products, and I'm gonna share it with you. This time it is not just the beauty products. I have some of the products which I have been really loving in the month of March and using it non-stop. I'm actually wearing some of the beauty products right now on my face, so let me just get started. Okay, so let's just talk about the cosmetics first and then we'll go with the rest of the products. Okay, so the first product is the one which I'm wearing right now on my lips, and this is the Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick. So let me just show you. Okay, so that is my Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick, and this is the color Fiore 07. If you remember my Sephora haul, this is the one which I bought from the Stila counter, and I've been obsessing about it. I wear it so many times and have got many compliments in my office also. The color looks really nice, and that's the reason I just wore it in this video as well, and I've been loving it like anything. The staying power is amazing, and the best part which I like about these lipstick is if you want to reapply, it does not feel patchy unlike other liquid lipsticks, because if you want to reapply your liquid lipstick, you have to scrap it off completely and then apply it all over again. But that is not the case, which I found with Stila one. They are super amazing. I can do my touch-ups in between, and I've been loving it like anything. Okay, so that is the first product I have been loving in month of March. Okay, let's move on to the second one, and it is hot like hell, and the reason is and because of this I'm not able to wear my foundation, and that is the reason I'm loving this Maybelline Pure BB Cream. I talked about it in my previous video, I guess, yeah, and in which the one which I shot for the people who wants to add some kind of the stuff in their beginners makeup kitty, and this was one of the product. I talked about it and I love it like anything. It is best for the sensitive skin, it is amazing for the dry skin as well, and it gives you from medium coverage. Okay, and if you don't have many issues on your skin, like some dark circles, like very heavy dark circles and huge spots, then this cream will solve the purpose. I've been loving it like anything, and it just gives me a very even skin, and also the staying power is also amazing. It does not it does not come off in just 3 to 4 hours, so I wear it on a daily basis and I have no complaints till now with this product. I have been using it non-stop in the month of March, so that was my second favorite product for the March favorite. Okay, let's move on to the third one, and this is the blusher I have been obsessing about, and this is by Makeup Revolution. Yes, you got it right. This is a very perfect dupe for the Too Faced I don't remember the exact blusher name, but these are the dupe of Too Faced one, and that is how it looks. It comes in variety of shades, but I really like this one because it has a hint of shimmer, the pink, the peach, and a little bit of actually the pink and peach colors. Okay, so that is how it looks. Okay, and it just gives such a nice sheen to your cheeks, and it gives the highlighting effect and the color effect, everything in one shot. Let me swatch it for you, so you can wear it by swirling around your brush on all over the product, or just you want to take one particular product, you can take that one as well. So that is how it looks. As you can see, it has a lot of sheen to it, but the thing like it has glitters or a lot of shining to it, nothing like that. So it solves the purpose of highlighter and a blusher in one single kitty. In one single kitty, and that is the reason I've been loving it so much. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, and this is the nail product, and this is by Essence. That is the color. It is called the color is called, okay, there is no color mentioned on it, but I know it has some name. I think it has LOL or something. I don't remember, but I'll find it out and will put it in the description box. Okay, but this not lipstick, sorry, these nail polish are super duper amazing. They have such a great application. They just dry out in no time, and they have such a beautiful color selection in the range. They have the gel ones. This is not the gel one, it is the Essence Color and Go. It dries up like anything, okay? So, and the finishing it gives is super amazing. Let me show you. And the best part is its brush. It is actually a very flat kind of brush, so you can get a lot of coverage in single stroke. That is what I love about the nail paints. I always go for the kind of brush they have. If it is very thin, the application gets so messy, so patchy, and I just hate it. I've been loving these nail paints so much, and have got a lot of of them. They are available on they are available on Amazon, and I have a couple of them, but this is my all-time favorite. It's such a beautiful summer fresh color. I'm sorry I'm not wearing retina on my nails. I wanted to wear it yesterday, but then my daughter woke up and I had to remove it. So that's the reason I didn't get time afterwards to apply it, but I'll do it. And I think I have the one of the posts on Instagram where I'm wearing this color, and it looks super duper amazing, super amazing. I highly recommend you guys to try it out. Amazing color. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, and this is the skincare product I have been obsessing. This is by Korean Skincare, and it is called Annie's Way Honey Deep Moisturizing Jelly Mask. If you remember my skincare haul from yesstyle.com, which was all the products were the Korean skincare, this was one of the product I talked about it, and I have been using it religiously twice in a week, and I'm getting such a good result out of this one. And the best part is the quantity is really good, so you don't run out of the product, and the money wise, everything, product is not very expensive and gives super amazing results. Since I have a little dry skin and sensitive one, so it is actually doing really good job on my skin. So that is one of the products I have been loving and using it non-stop. Yes. Okay, let's move on to one of the product I have been not just loving in month of March. Actually, the day I have got it, I've been using it like anything, and I forgot to mention it my last month's favorite, so I thought I should incorporate it in this one favorite. So this is the product I want to talk about. This is the hair removal spring, and it is so handy, so travel friendly, and so easy to use. Every woman should have it in her purse, in her makeup kitty, because that is something it can help you out on a go when you have some unwanted hair on your face or your upper lip and you don't have time to go to salon and get it done. This is something which comes into picture. I always carry it whenever I'm traveling, so that whenever I have some hairs on my upper lips or my jawline or something and I don't find any salon nearby, or since I have a daughter now, I cannot visit salon every now and then, this is something I use on every alternative day, or after 3-4 days, and it just solves a purpose. So, and it is super easy to use. You just have to get used to of it, in a couple of time you just use it and you'll be sorted. So, and it is very cheap also. It comes for about 125 to 200, I believe. It is very easily available online. It is available on Amazon, Flipkart, anything. You just try for it. Again, highly recommended, and to every single woman out there, trust me, you will love it. Okay, so that was one of the product. Okay, so I think I'm done with the beauty and the skincare products, and now let's move on to my clothing and my handbag, which I've been loving like anything. Okay, let's first move on to the one which I just live in all day all night, and this is my my nightwear pajamas, and this is by it is by Bevcoof.com. They have super amazing, super quickie kind of stuff. They have a lot of crop tops, they have a lot of regular t-shirts and these kind of printed pajamas, and they have the men's collection as well. So I really like this one. The quality of these pajamas are super amazing. I wear it like every single day. As you can see, it is washed, so I just got it washed, and I'll be again living in these pajamas tomorrow, I believe. And the one I actually own two of it, but I really like this one. It is, first of all, it is pink in color, and it has cupcakes, you know, printed on it, and they have variety of sizes. So you have something from extra small to I think XL or double XL, I believe. Yeah, and stuff is amazing. These are pure cotton, and the fitting is really amazing. They just fit till your ankle, and this is something you can actually wear it outside when you know you don't have time to change and you have to get out of the house in emergency for like a quick visit to the grocery shop or something. This is something you can wear very easily. So I have been loving these so much. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, and this is one of my, I am loving laces like anything. First of all, it is the summertime, and second, white is my all-time favorite color. I can wear white all day, all around the year. You know, I can never get bored of white color, and this is one of the top I got from Lifestyle. The brand is called Ginger. It is a complete lace top, and it looks super fabulous during the summertime because you can wear it you know, if you are blessed with a super toned body, you can wear some kind of very funky, very you know, very catchy bralette or something underneath and wear this one. And if you are not very comfortable with that kind of clothing, you can probably wear some nice tank top underneath and wear this one. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so that is the next product, and they are super affordable. I think they cost about $1,000. Yeah, I guess so. They come in variety of colors. I actually wanted to buy a very nice bright peacock green color, but I don't know, I just left it. Then my birthday was approaching and I asked my sister to get me this one. Thank you, Dee, for gifting me this. Okay, let's move on to the next product, and this is my footwear. I really like flat ones. First of all, I have a pretty good height, so I'm not very comfortable in wearing heels. Secondly, I never tried to wear heels, so whenever I wear it, my feet hurts. Okay, so I always try to restrict myself in wearing flats. It is a very beautiful golden flats, and it has this zipper detailing. Okay, so your feet is actually very, it's just sits, your feet just sits into this slipper, and nothing to, like when you want to run or something, you will not find it very uncomfortable, like it is just slipping off your feet or something. Nothing like that. I really like these ones. I wear it with my jeans, I wear it with my shorts, skirts, suits, anything. It just go with any single thing. So this is by Westside. I don't remember the price because this is not something I bought recently, but Westside has super amazing collection for the flat ones, and I always, whenever I'm going to Westside, I just cannot stop myself from buying something from their footwear section. So I own couple of product, couple of footwears from Westside, and the best part is they are not very expensive. Most of the flats are something they fall under 1500, I believe. So I really like this one. Okay, let's move on to the last product from the March month favorite, and this is one of my favorite handbag right now, and this is by Forever 21. So this is a sling bag, and as you can see, it is a very small but very very roomy to keep your wallet, your phone, some of the essential things which you want to carry when you want to go out with your friends, your family, your partner. And the best part is the color. I really like this color. These days I'm not too much into the black, red one, so this is the color I really like. It goes with my every single outfit, be it jeans, dress, anything. I really like this one, and it has all the gold gold detailing, and it comes with this kind of strap, so you have half of the chain and half of the belt, so it does not slip off your shoulder. and it does not hurt as well, because if you have only the chain one, it actually, you know, it eventually start hurting your shoulder, which I don't like. So I really like the kind of one, and the length of the strap, it really, you know, goes well with my body, the kind of height I have. So that is the one. It has this you know, back zipper, and from inside it is so roomy. As you can see, I have, you know, stuffed all the newspaper and something to, you know, keep it in shape, but I use it every now and then. I really like this one. Since I'm a mother, I have a, you know, already have a diaper bag with me all the time, which is huge enough, so I don't have a strength to carry another big bag. And this is something, it's just, it is perfect to keep my wallet, my shades, my phone, a little bit of essential like my lipstick, or you know, probably tissues or something. It is just amazing. I like it so much. I bought it from Forever 21, and it comes in, I think, in black color as well, and I think they have it in red color also. You can probably go and check it out. Okay, so guys, that was all for the day. And also, if you guys notice my t-shirt, this is also my, you know, all-time favorite. I show you, it is a very basic gray t-shirt, but it has this sequence kind of parrot on it. I really like it. It looks very quirky and very stylish at the same time. So that is one of the, I love gray so much. Like, I love white, I love gray also. I really like it because it just stands out like anything, since all the t-shirt is very basic, plain. So I think I bought it from GIP Noida. Yeah, there's one of the boutique available there, I think Much and More, but I bought it long back. So that is the one. Okay, but this was not part of my March month favorite. So guys, that was all for the day, and these were the products I have been obsessing over in the month of March. So guys, I hope you liked it, and I really want to know your favorites for the month of March. So do not forget to, you know, comment in the comment section and let me know what is your favorite for the month of March. Okay, so if you liked it, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not done till now. Okay, also follow me on Instagram, because my day-to-day update, my small quick reviews on the products which I show you in my favorite, you know, favorite ones, or probably the haul ones, they keep on coming on my Instagram account. Every details is available on my channel, so you guys have to go there, check it out, subscribe it, and keep coming back. So guys, on that note, I should take a leave now, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.